But what about AI for all of the other aspects of managing your fleet? There is so much complexity that you all manage every single day. Issues are coming at you 24/7. You're checking fault codes, watching the weather, tracking your drivers, adjusting dispatches, and a whole lot more. It's time-consuming work, and so much of it is reactive. And the consequence of missing something important can be incredibly costly. That's where we think we can help with the power of AI. I'm excited to give you a preview of our upcoming Motive AI Assistant, which we're working on and will be rolling out later this year. You can think about the AI Assistant as your partner that operates across the Motive platform. It watches for critical, time-sensitive issues, makes you aware of them, and then helps you take action in real time. I'm going to hand it to Jadam, our head of product design, to share a few examples of what Motive AI Assistant can do for you.
Thanks, Shoaib. I'm really excited to show how the AI Assistant simplifies your day-to-day by surfacing critical insights, alerting you to time-sensitive issues, and recommending contextual actions to address them. Let's dive in with a few examples. Take fault codes. When a vehicle generates a fault, it could be nothing. Or it could lead to a breakdown that impacts your ability to complete a job, eroding customer trust and resulting in lost revenue. Right now, you're manually reviewing faults, trying to decipher cryptic codes and vague descriptions, deciding what to do next, and scrambling to figure out if you need to take that vehicle off the road and get it serviced. With AI Assistant, we're automating that process. It does the work for you. When the assistant identifies a vehicle with a critical fault code, it immediately alerts you from anywhere on the platform. The assistant provides the full context of the fault, including the impacted vehicle name, along with comprehensive code and severity descriptions. It also surfaces relevant actions to take, such as message the driver or mark the vehicle unsafe to drive. With an AI-generated contextual message, you can immediately communicate detailed instructions and guidance to your driver, preventing a major breakdown or safety issue. Planning around weather is another major headache. We've seen fleets continuously check multiple monitors, TV broadcasts, as well as sending fleet-wide broadcasts to their drivers. The AI Assistant monitors real-time weather data and instantly alerts you to an event that will impact your fleet. The assistant identifies vehicles currently in the path of the storm and those that will be there by visualizing the weather event and the vehicles on the map. We can then automatically send a targeted weather alert that you could send to the affected drivers. With a single click, you can warn everyone on the road who needs to know. You skip the manual, untargeted communications and get the right message to the right driver at the right time. This is just the beginning. The AI Assistant will be embedded everywhere across the Motive platform. We'll start with faults and weather, but soon expand to unsafe parking and other time-sensitive real-time issues. More targeted insights, more proactive alerts, more contextual actions, saving you time, money, and hassle. We want to partner. We want to partner with all of you on this. Come visit us at a Motive booth and let us know how the AI Assistant can help solve some of your problems. At Motive, we are building the future of fleet management with AI, and we're just getting started. With that, I'll pass it back to Shoaib.
Thanks, Jadam. We are just getting started with the Motive AI Assistant, and we can't wait to get your feedback on the workflows that you want us to automate for you.